Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS friend. Today in this video I will show you how you can use your YouTube as a music player with the screen off in your realme mobile phone. So I will show you how you can use. So first of all I will show you. Here you can see I am using realme mobile phone for making this video. So in this mobile phone, what you have to do if you want to use YouTube as a music player with the screen off, then you have to download one app. With the name of that app is floating minimizer. Here you can see on my mobile phone screen which app I am rotating here and there. This app is a floating minimizer. Just open this app and here you can see your YouTube. You can see the YouTube name out at the top, and here you can search shorts library. Each and everything of your YouTube is here. So just play whatever you want to play, and then you have to press the power key of your mobile phone for screen off of your mobile phone. So once you play the video, then press the power key. Now I cannot do this because my screen recording will get stopped if I am pressing this power key. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.